Everyone, welcome to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm cooking some delicious oxtails in my crock pot. I'm going to just let them cook for hours. I've seasoned them and put them in there. They've only been cooking for maybe an hour or two so far, and I'm going to make a thick gravy with them, and they're going to be so delicious. So we'll check back later, see what they're looking like. Hi guys. Okay, so back to the oxtails. I added 1 pack of brown gravy mix to these oxtails, and I'm going to stir them up a little bit so you can see what they look like. I try to trim most of the fat off the oxtail, but it still usually always has a little bit of fat on the top, and when you put them in the refrigerator, you can skim the fat off the top of them and they'll turn out just wonderful. But these are so soft and tender, they're just coming off the bone like that. See, that's easy. All right, we're going to serve them up with some cabbage and some red beans and rice, kidney beans and rice when they're all done. What do you think, Bella?
They look good.
They look good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you for tuning in to Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to
like and share.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Bon appetit.
Let's eat.
You may eat.
Bon appetit. You may eat. Bella has on her PJs. She's getting ready for bed tonight. All right. Bye. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Bye.